How to download songs on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. On this video today, let me guide you through quick and easy on how you can download songs on iPhone. Well, there are certain ways to download songs on iPhone. Well, the first and foremost is to get the Apple Music, the official Apple Music, right? From it, you'll be able to download it. However, you need the subscription. You can download the free ones. You can simply go ahead and open up and once you're on the particular song here, you can go ahead and download it. Right now I don't have any Apple Music subscription. You can download it to listen to it online or offline. The second step is you can head into browser, and certain websites on a browser will let you download songs, right? So you can download songs from browser and you can save it to your iPhone. Now once you save it, how you can listen to it? Well, in that case, you can head over to your Apple Store, right? And you can download this application here, that is Melodista. So you can download this offline music player and you can listen to it once you have downloaded it from browser. So this is how you can download songs on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.